I know you're looking for things to do with your Thanksgiving leftovers, and your boy CJ's got you covered. We're doing Thanksgiving leftover sliders. Now I'm zhuzhing it up with a little pepper jack. Now don't forget, with these fancy cheeses, it comes with paper in the middle. Don't cook that paper, y'all. Now for me, the pepper jack just adds a little extra kick to all these kind of normal Thanksgiving flavors. Now I'm throwing in my leftover turkey breast. Now you can tell it's leftover because it's in that Ziploc bag straight from the fridge. I actually smoked this turkey breast with a ton of that Cajun butter and seasoning, but you can use whatever turkey you have left over. You're gonna want to pile on that turkey pretty high. Make sure you got all the corners covered. And if you're the type that makes a ham on Thanksgiving, go ahead and throw those slices on there too. There isn't anything wrong with adding two meats on here. Little turkey, little ham, perfection. Now I'm throwing a little olive oil on my turkey because no matter how much butter you cook it in or how much love you show it, it's still gonna be dry out of the refrigerator. Now I don't always make traditional mashed potatoes with my Thanksgiving meals. Sometimes we do fried, sometimes we do roasted. So I'm throwing on some fried potatoes that we made. Got them seasoned up real well too. So just adding more and more flavor with each layer here. Now it's time we throw on our stuffing. This is old family favorite, straight from my grandma Stouffer. It was made on a stove top, if you get what I'm saying here, real traditional like. Now, if you're one of those crazy people like that cranberry jelly sauce stuff, this would be the time to throw it on, but I tend to skip that stuff. Next up, we're gonna throw 4 more slices of that pepper jack cheese on there. But hey guys, if you wanna mix it up and again, don't forget to throw off that paper and throw a different flavored cheese in there, go for it. Now it's time to crown our beast. Of course, a couple are gonna fall off, but that's all right. Just push them back on there. As that cheese melts, it'll hold the top on and you won't have to worry with your sliders falling apart, even though we're gonna cut them in the end. And last but not least, we're gonna make a little garlic or butter to throw over the top, brush it on real nice. So we got some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, a little bit of salt, and throw in a little olive oil just to round out the flavor. Get that in the microwave for a few seconds and get it nice and melty and combined. You're gonna wanna brush that butter mix over the top of each and every one of those slider buns. It'll be nice and golden brown and lovely by the time we pull it out of the oven. Throw those sliders into a 350 oven for about 10-15 minutes until the cheese is nice and melty and everything else is warmed on through. Go ahead and pull those sliders out and start slicing in between with your really big long knife. I tell you what, I can't think of a better way to use your leftovers. Everybody will love these in the whole family. Trust me on that one. And on this one, I'm digging out that middle piece. Guys, look at all the goodness right in the middle of that beast. All right, y'all, let's get a bite of our slider right here. All the flavors of the holidays you love, minus cranberry sauce. I can't rock with that stuff. There you go. Cheers. Gosh, so much flavor going on. Don't sleep on that pepper jack. Adds that certain little kick you need, all right? But you're all gonna wanna make this because baby, you know it's good.